School's Performance Grading Index. Ada kami berfak.
Kerana kasih India itu kriteria untuk dimisyon di sekolah pertama ini.
I will give you all this dengan ai ki dengan record sampai di dengan ai ke sampel jong kan ka score pindah untuk kami. Mo mabaki pun pelat dan terang. This PGI for the state of Meghalaya, where these 11,443 schools, they will know where they are ranked and what are the things to improve. And these are done out of 43 domains. In the PGI there is 73, and these are doing as per the UDICE score, which we take from UDICE and we compile it, and it become one mirror for us. And this is not a one-off exercise. We'll try to do every year. If not, we'll try to do every year so that to keep time to those schools to improve. And if they doesn't improve, that means those schools, they are not doing anything. So we from the government also, we may take necessary steps that those schools should not remain.